Hi, this is Terrell, graphic recorder and creator of Frame the Message Inc. This is Picture This.
So you may be listening to this module without the real desire to become a full-time graphic recorder, and that's okay. But we're often called upon to take public notes in the form of charting or as a designated minute keeper. But this module is designed to challenge you to think about a new way of keeping these public notes. You might be surprised to know that I was petrified to draw publicly for the first time. However, I was incredibly surprised by how receptive people were to this process. And today I can say I'm glad that I didn't give up or give in to my own self-criticism and doubt. Today I make a living out of bringing my drawings out from under the table and into supersized sketchbooks for others to learn from and with. I travel the world to share my learning style with others, making believers out of the skeptics and transforming the way the world learns and remembers information. So if you want to try your hand at providing live graphics at your next meeting or event, here's a few things you should know. First, you must question this. What is your role in this meeting or event? Will you be simply recording the notes for the meeting, or will you be facilitating it as well? Knowing what your role is critical to helping others know how to interact with you and with the visuals. So let's take a minute to delineate the differences. The role of a graphic recorder is to listen carefully throughout a meeting or presentation and synthesize ideas to create a visual summary for the audience to learn and hold on to during and after an event. The graphic recorder's job is to provide high-quality visuals that summarize key learnings as they're presented. The role of a graphic facilitator is a little more complex. They provide visual recording, all while facilitating the conversation and learning processes at the same time. Graphic facilitators are an essential part of the dialogue, and they capture visual notes that support group learning. If you're wondering how you're ever going to do this, I can only assure you that everyone has a different style and approach to graphic recording. Find your own and confidently utilize it to its greatest advantage. Simple images can tell powerful stories, so don't be afraid to use it as a learning tool and develop your own technique over time. But if being a graphic recorder isn't your thing, consider hiring someone in the field of graphic recording to do this work alongside you. There are many of us out there, all willing to work in tandem with your vision for your next presentation. You can work to develop these skills. Just a little bit of practice will take you a long way in becoming a stronger visual communicator with the groups you work with.